Hi everyone, welcome to demo session on this Microsoft Azure and Microsoft Fabric. Guys, today what I will be doing, I will be discussing the major differences between Azure and Fabric. Okay, these two are from Microsoft only. So many people have this confusion. Okay, what is Microsoft Azure Gopi? What is Microsoft Fabric? So are they both same? Otherwise this Fabric is going to replace this. So what are they exactly? So this is what I am going to discuss today. Okay, Gopi, so what is Microsoft Azure? So as many of you know already, so Azure is a cloud computing platform from Microsoft. Okay, so it provides services like virtual machines, storage, databases, networks and security, analytics. Okay, so in simple terms, what I can call so a collection of Azure is a collection of building blocks to create and manage applications and data solutions in the cloud. Okay, it is a cloud platform, guys. It is cloud platform. So where many people, data engineers, data analysts, data scientists, front end people, back end people, DevOps guys, everyone can come and use this. Okay, so whenever your projects involves many people, whenever you want to integrate with front end and back end and many services, you want to create one full-fledged project or product, then use this Microsoft Azure. Okay, because it provides virtual machine storage, database, networks, networking, security, and analytics, right? So everything is in our hand. So everything in our hand. Okay, so what virtual machines I have to take? So what capacity I have to take? What storages are required? How much memory is required? What node I have to take? So which databases are required? Everything will be in our hand to choose. Okay, so this is what your it is like a toolbox. You can it is like a toolbox, so you will be using these tools to build a complex project. Okay, so that is what Microsoft Azure is. Then why Azure is popular, Gopi? Okay, so Azure is widely popular because of these reasons. It is almost more than 15 years old. Okay, because it is scalable. So in Azure, you can upscale or downscale your services. Okay, so if you upscale, you will be paid more. If you downscale, you will be paid less. If your business is performing good, you can upscale your services so that you will be charged more. If your business is not performing that much well, so you can downscale your services. You will be paid for whatever you are using. That is what this one means. Okay, so it supports multiple tools and technologies. Strong integration with Microsoft ecosystem. Okay, so Microsoft ecosystem means in IT industries we will be using mostly 90% Microsoft products only. Microsoft, most of the laptops are, most of the devices are Microsoft Windows only. And you will be using Power BI, you will be using Visual Studio Code, you will be using Microsoft Office. So everything from Microsoft. So it will be easy. So it will be easy to integrate Microsoft Azure with Microsoft products. Okay, so that's why this Azure is so popular in IT industry. So that is what it is, enterprise ready cloud platform. Gopi, so this is all good. Then what is Microsoft Fabric? So guys, this Microsoft Fabric is a unified data analytics platform. Okay, so what it includes, Gopi? It combines multiple services into one: data engineering, data integration, data warehousing, real-time analytics, Power BI. Okay, so Fabric is an all-in-one platform for data work. So it is a end-to-end data analytics work, guys. So whenever you want to perform only data analytics work, end-to-end, from starting to ending. Okay, so you want to build anything, so related to data field, you will use this Microsoft Fabric. Okay, so here we don't require any DevOps people, because so there is no integration, nothing to maintain here. So it is a SaaS service. Okay, everything is ready. Okay, no need to have virtual machines, or no need to have external connections or anything. So it is like what? It is a end-to-end data platform. Okay, so Gopi, why Fabric is trending now? Fabric is gaining popularity because of these reasons, guys. Everything in one platform. In Azure, so you have Azure Data Factory, Azure Databricks, Azure Data Lake Storage, Azure SQL Database, Azure Manager. We have many things. We have many services in Azure. Okay, but here we have all of them together. So inside Fabric only you can find pipelines, how to create pipelines. Inside Fabric only you will be seeing how to create Databricks related notebooks we will be creating, that you can create here. And inside Fabric only you can store the data. Okay, so we don't require any SQL databases or data lake or delta lake separately. So it is a all in one lake concept. So where you can store unstructured, structured, semi-structured, any kind of data you can store inside this fabric only. Okay, so you can store the data, and you can create, and you can monitor, and you can orchestrate the pipelines, and you can perform big data processing, and Power BI is deeply integrated with fabric. Okay, so in Azure there is no integration with Power BI, but inside fabric, so this Power BI is deeply integrated, and this fabric is created or generated so around Power BI, guys. Okay, so that's what, and it is beginner friendly, everyone can learn easily, and the development will be faster, guys, with fabric, because so no need to select many services. Okay, so everything is ready, okay, so that's why, so the development will be faster here. So I will be explaining the major differences between Azure and fabric. You will be having many other differences, but these are main reasons. Okay, so the nature of this one, Azure is cloud, it is a cloud platform. So fabric, it is a data platform. Okay, cloud platform means it provides everything, guys. Okay, everyone can come. So mostly the target users are engineers and DevOps people. Engineers and DevOps. Engineers means front-end people, back-end people, data engineers, data science, everyone. And for DevOps also, the target users are these two. And here, that in fabric, the target users are data engineers and data analysts. Okay, and here the setup is what? Manual integration. Okay, the setup is manual integration. You need to integrate data factory with Databricks. You need to integrate ADLS with Databricks. But here, no need of integration, because it is already have everything in one place. So it is pre-integrated. Okay, so in Azure, you will be having multiple services, but in Fabric, so it is all in one solution. The complexity is very high, guys, in this, because so we have to integrate, we have to create compute, we have to, so what we have to manage many services, we have to provide security for many services. But in fabric, so no, the simple, it is very simple. The complexity is simple because it is single platform and no need of integration, everything at one place. Okay, you can store data, you can perform ETL processing, you can perform data analytics, Power BI, and reporting kind of work. So you can do anything. So here, so there is no need of manual integration here. Okay, so yes, so the simple analogy is so Azure is like a toolbox. So you pick tools and build everything on yourself. Okay, so you will be picking those tools and you will be building everything on yourself. That is what Azure. Fabric is like a ready-made machine, guys. So everything is already connected and it is ready to use. Everything, all the setup is already made. So just we need to use. That is the thing. Okay. So Gopi, when to use Azure? Whenever you need full control, you are building complex applications. So you want flexibility across services, and you want flexibility across your architecture. You want to create your own architecture. You want to design your own things. Okay, so there is many people are involved, many so engineers are involved. Then go with this Azure. Okay, so Gopi, when to use Fabric? So use Fabric when your focus is only on data. So data related things, data and data analytics. So you want faster development. So you preferred a simple experience, then go with this. Okay, so Azure is a cloud platform, Fabric is a data platform. Okay, so in simple words, Azure is a broad cloud platform, so Fabric is a data platform. Okay, so this is what, guys, Fabric simplifies Azure, what Azure offers for data workloads. Okay, so Fabric simplifies what Azure offers for data workloads. So this is what the final word. Okay, so if you want to learn Azure, Fabric, or data engineering concepts step by step,